Although some want more of it, there's still plenty of snow to go around.
I've always been very proud of the fact that a ski resort is run by people.
Kim Mayhew has been working in Utah's ski industry for nearly 40 years.
Most people are great, but to get a few that are a real challenge.
This past year presenting many new challenges, such as ensuring guests comply with COVID-19 safety procedures. All 15 of Utah's ski resorts are following the same guidelines. All require masks and all have signage throughout the resort reminding visitors of COVID-19 protocols. Solitude Mountain Resort putting out a plea to the public to be kind and respect their employees, who remind guests of mask wearing and other health guidelines.
It's not a new thing for us as a staff or for our community. We've been wearing masks, for 10 months.
Each resort has had their own experience with visitors abiding by a mask mandate.
Majority of our guests are doing it right, and I think that's the big takeaway.
As is the case at Solitude, those at Snow Basin have seen a mostly compliant crowd.
The odd occasion you get a guest that has their mask down, and we have to remind them, and they're compliant. It's great. And very infrequently we see guests that have a hard time with that.
But there have been those who challenge the wearing of masks.
We have removed some guests. There were some guests that we saw come up. They didn't even want to ski. They just came up to challenge the mask mandate.
Both at Solitude and Snow Basin, some visitors have refused to comply with mask wearing and had to be removed from the property.
Those are jarring conversations, because sometimes being reasonable and having just a logical conversation about it, you're not able to have that.
However, most resorts saying that they've had success with mask wearing, with a healthy amount of reminding people each day.
Now's a time for a little morale boost, because it happens every day, but it's not about an incident or a particular incident or the frequency. It's about my staff.
They just want to remind visitors to show kindness to their employees, who just want you to have a great day on the slopes. Brian Schnee, Fox 13 News, Utah.